SP500 daily time frame. So this was our support which was made on 50% retracement of this previous bullish trend, and right now price is making resistance on 61% retracement of this last wave. So this is technical resistance level and it is key level, because if this level breaks, the next target will be 3425 level. Before that we only have this white trend line. After CPI stock went up, and last week FOMC member gave clear warning that market is running too front of Fed decision. Since then it is showing red candle, and on Friday one of the FOMC members said that Fed rate can go up to 7%, and this is a very bearish signal for stocks. And if they keep repeating this, then this is bearish and it will break this support and new lower low possible, and there is no support before 61% retracement of this trend and 100% projection for wave Y, because this can be WXY wave, corrective wave. This was your 135 impulsive wave, and this was your counter trend correction, 61% retracement, and it is done and it is ready to make new lower low. It can go up short term, but next year it again will crash, because Fed is saying clearly that they will raise interest rate but they will pause, and whenever they cut interest rate, stock market crash, and this happened many times in history. So either it crash before rate cut or immediately after rate cut. This is your current key resistance, 4006 level, and next will be 400 325. You can see H1 time frame if you want, but main thing is happening on this bigger time frame, daily time frame. So it is important you focus the key resistance level of daily time frame, and after that clarity you can trade on any time frame. But this 61% retracement level is your key horizontal resistance. Below it is bearish, and NASDAQ daily same thing is happening here, wave W, correction wave X, and right now we are in wave Y, and this can your AVC zigzag counter trend correction, because this last wave has made almost 50% retracement level, and once this low breaks again, then you can target up to 78% retracement or 100% projection for wave Y near 8000 level. NASDAQ is making less retracement compared to Dow Jones and SP500, because these tech stocks, these big company were in heaven when interest rate went zero in 2009, and they started a new policy QE, and since beginning of this year this policy has been ended, 0% interest rate is gone, and QE monetary policy is also gone. So these company are having a bad time and they are not prepared for it, because sometimes people say Facebook will end, and last week were saying Twitter will end, and it is just beginning, and you can imagine what can happen next year in 2023 when real recession panic will start. And Dow Jones Industrial Average daily time frame it is still there at 61% retracement level. It tried many times on daily time frame, but it is not breaking this 61% retracement level because this is key horizontal resistance. This area has been tested multiple times as a support before this bear market was started, and now it is testing again as a resistance. So we have two things, both are bearish. First, recession next year, and last week Fed made clear that they want recession to control inflation. So until recession come, they will keep raising interest rate, and so they are hiking their terminal rate. And Fed has already said that in each FOMC meeting, terminal rate is going up. So they are saying before December FOMC meeting, and if they show 7% in their economic projection, then it will drop instantly and will make a new low. The first target will be this previous low at 28.66, then 50 and 61% retracement level of this complete trend, and 100 and 138 projection for this wave Y. Because this was QE trend, stock went up. This was QT trend, it went down. And next will be rate cut trend. So on each rate cut cycle, stock crash. So top can be before rate cut or after rate cut start. So you have to be prepared. Either it dropped from this key horizontal resistance level, or if this level breaks, then double top is possible. But it all depends on Fed monetary policy. They have given signal for 7% last week, but market is still pricing for 5%. So this difference of 2%, everyone is betting since Friday, and if they drops again in coming weeks, then that will be sign that market is now pricing for 7% terminal rate. But everyone is watching carefully this resistance level. Will it breaks or not? If breaks, then all time high and double top possible, and if this level breaks, then it will make a new lower low. So if you compare these three together, SP500, Dow Jones and NASDAQ, then NASDAQ is not near a key resistance level, but SP500 has a key resistance 4006, and Dow Jones also has a clear resistance level 33774. So if these two things start crashing, then NASDAQ will do the same thing.